The latest medical research in muscle pain is showing us that chronic inflammation, the process that causes pain and degeneration, traces back to a condition called angiogenesis. Now, angiogenesis is a process where the body creates new blood vessels to promote a healing response after an injury to a muscle or a joint. Now, in chronic inflammatory conditions, such as tendonitis and plantar fasciitis, the overdevelopment of blood vessels cause two processes to occur that leads to pain and swelling. Now, in the first problem, nerve endings grow off of the new blood vessels and fire pain signals to the brain. In the second problem, angiogenesis brings in inflammatory hormones and cells into the area that lead to pain and tenderness. Now, treatment options such as steroid injections and medications provide short-term relief from the inflammation, but pain usually returns after a couple of months. So that leaves us with our other option, which is surgery. And surgery is invasive, it has a long recovery time, and it isn't guaranteed to relieve your pain. Now, we understand your frustration because these are not great options. Now, our integrative office combines a non-surgical procedure that targets those little inflammatory blood vessels in a procedure called embolization. Now, we combine that with advanced physical therapy techniques to restore function and eliminate the cause of pain and degeneration. Now, as you can see in these before and after MRI images, inflammation is significantly reduced in these patients, and they saw dramatic improvements in their pain and activity levels, and all this occurred in under a month. Now, our protocols are safe and effective for everyone, including those with diabetes, osteoporosis, and obesity. Now, if you're the type of person who wants these long-term solutions that don't involve surgery, then we are the perfect place for you and your loved ones.